Eggs are perfect if you're looking for versatile and healthy food to add to your routine. Various eggs are available today, from free-range eggs with deep yellow yolks to duck eggs that provide unique texture and flavor. Different types of eggs may vary in color, but they all contain similar nutritional benefits. They can be boiled, scrambled, poached, or added to various recipes. And don't worry, eggs are a safe part of an everyday diet when prepared properly. By learning to select the right eggs and prepare them correctly, you'll enjoy all the immense health benefits of eating them daily. Are you looking for a quick and simple meal? Eggs are a perfect choice. You can enjoy a delicious, protein-filled meal with just 5 minutes of cooking. With some creativity, you'll find endless possibilities with eggs, omelets, scrambled, poached, the list goes on. Plus, with eggs, you can pair them up with anything from cheese and spinach to bacon and tomatoes for added flavor. You won't be short of ideas regarding 5-minute meals with eggs. Safety concerns surrounding eating eggs frequently. Despite being considered one of the healthiest foods available, safety concerns still surround eating eggs daily. To ensure that you include eggs in your diet safely and responsibly, you must be aware of any potential risks associated with consuming eggs. Research into nutrition and food safety is necessary to identify the chances of contamination and assess any egg's nutritional benefits versus possible hazards. Additionally, you will want to select fresh eggs and explore different methods to prepare eggs best to ensure a safe, healthy experience when consuming eggs in larger quantities than usual. That being said, it is recommended that if you plan on making eggs part of your daily diet, you do so with caution and care. Tips for selecting fresh, high-quality eggs. For those looking to incorporate eggs into their diets more regularly, it's essential to ensure they select the best eggs possible. More specifically, eggs should be fresh, high-quality eggs. The easiest way to tell if eggs are high quality is to look for eggs with a firm shell and unpierced blot near the middle of the egg. A candidate egg should also feel heavy when handled, as eggs with more content usually mean a higher overall nutritional value. Also, eggs should be stored in their original carton instead of in different containers. Finally, it's always best to inspect eggs at the store before purchasing them and even consider discarding eggs with imperfections or cracks on their shells, both of which can reduce an egg's safety and longevity when consumed within the recommended period. Eating eggs daily is an excellent way to get their health benefits. With essential vitamins and minerals, eggs are one of the healthiest foods to add to your diet. It also helps that eggs are a great source of low-cost, high-quality protein and can make a great addition to breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Eggs contain lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants that benefit eye health. Not only are eggs packed with nutrition, but there's also plenty of evidence debunking many of the myths that suggest otherwise. Eating eggs daily is safe for healthy people if they're cooked properly to avoid foodborne illness. When buying eggs at the grocer or farmer's market, choose those with clean shells and without any cracks. Fresh eggs will provide nutritious and delicious meals as a balanced diet. Overall, eggs provide abundant benefits for overall health and should be incorporated as part of a healthy diet. Eating eggs daily can be beneficial when you understand their nutritional value. Dispel myths not grounded in scientific truth. Select high-quality eggs and safely prepare them. While it is important to practice moderation still and pay attention to safety warnings, adding some egg-based dishes to your daily diet will give you biological and psychological boosts. Now that you have the complete breakdown of what eggs can do for your body and how to incorporate them safely into your diet, it is time to hit the kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on any exciting facts regarding nutrition or recipes. So like, share, and comment if you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.